Yes. I hope you're hungry wherever you're checking us out, wherever you are in the wonderful Isles of the Caribbean. Guys, it's time to roll out a recipe, and today we're thankful to the folks at Pepe's for making it possible. An entire range of peas and beans, but today we are going to use something very, very familiar, I think to most Caribbean people, especially here in Trinidad and Tobago, Channa. Or, as we probably like to be a little fancy, chickpeas. Yeah, chickpeas. Chickpeas, yeah? So Pepe has a full range of peas and beans, and we basically boil some channa.
Nice.
Soaked it overnight, boil it, get it nice and soft where it's, there goes that guy.
Going chickpea.
Yeah. But we're not just going to serve you channa. And I can't make doubles. So don't even go down that road, right? I can't make doubles, Dane. Dane Gulston, if you're now joining us, is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Pannist extraordinaire here in Trinidad and Tobago. And I am going to try to pull together something a little fancy with the channa and the chickpea this morning. I am going to pull together a simple recipe called a channa and shrimp patty. So I'm trying to elevate the thing a little bit. So I have some shrimp that I season, simple salt, pepper, lime juice.
I think so.
And we're going to form it into a patty that you can have as a little patty, a nice little finger food kind of vibes.
Try that.
Bear with me. We go in and we are following a recipe here. Time to roll out the recipe. Dane Gulston is here. And Dane is going to be telling us about a big concert that he has coming up at the end of the month. It's November 30th.
Actually, November 30th and the 1st of December.
And the 1st of December.
Yeah, Trinidad All-Stars Classical Jewels 12.
Wow. So it's a two-night event.
Two-night event at Napa.
At Napa.
Yes, yeah.
Fantastic. About 2 cups of the channa that goes in here. Very simple recipe. You can make this day. This is not difficult. This looks like a big machine, but it's a food processor that just grinds up everything.
Might I rename that a classical jewel?
The classical jewel channa and salt and pepper. So I just want to season it up a little bit to your taste, just a pinch, right? To that, let me add the rest of my spices. This is not. It is not doubles I'm making here for you. This is might smell like a doubles here. Yeah. So this is curry powder, amchar masala, and some jeera or cumin. Wow. That will be kind of just flavoring and seasoning up. I'm getting all of that in there, seasoning it up. So this is so easy that I like to follow simple recipe.
If I can make it.
I say if Joel can make it, you can make it. Right? In goes here. So you don't even have to do no sort of hard prep. This is sweet peppers. Could go straight in there. I have a little onion that I just kind of chopped up just roughly. And some garlic. 2 or 3 cloves of garlic.
Nice, like a pie.
That can go in there. I have 1 egg beaten. This is to hold it together. 1 egg beaten. I just need to get my oil hot, so I'm kind of multitasking, right? Bam, bam, bam. I think I have everything in there that needs to go in there at this time. So this, as I said, this is the hardest part of the thing. Making sure you work this machine properly. Simple food processor, guys. Very, very easy. And you just kind of... You can go and take a drink and come back.
Nice. Definitely.
So I want this as fine as possible. I want the channa to kind of come together. So you're looking good. Nice and mushy. So if I was to taste here now, I should really just get that nice flavor. Just to see if I need salt and pepper. Yeah. But the nice curry and jeera is coming through. Nothing much. I just probably add a little salt and pepper just for that little extra.
Extra flavor.
Final baby is, so the channa is in here and I just add in some shrimp to elevate the dish a little bit. The shrimp peeled, deveined, and seasoned with basic salt and pepper. Get that in there.
Nice. Nice and
And come on, man, this too easy to be true. Bam. Now, I don't want to get the shrimp as mushy and grinded as the channel, because when the patties are formed, I want to be able to know I'm biting into a shrimp or two ever so often. So I'm going to just pulse just to get the shrimp all kind of combined in the mixture. So you see how I stop seeing the shrimp now? I'm in guess mode. I mean, really, I'm in guess mode right now. So I'm looking and I'm hoping that I ain't grind up the thing too much. But I could figure it out. I have a spoon here, because these machines work very fast. So I'm seeing shrimp. I'm seeing the shrimp. So this is what I want here, right? To this, Dane, very, very simple. I'm going to try to just get this guy out, because he's a dangerous guy. He's called a blade, and you see what he do to the channa and the shrimp.
Oh boy.
I don't want him do that to my fingers.
Definitely not mine.
So I really just want to take my hands, just like that, roll,
Beautiful.
and mash, and get it in the oil. That fries minute or two on either side. It doesn't take long. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook. And when we come back, we'll plate this guy up, and hopefully we'll eat it.
Classical Joe.
Classic. We wrote a recipe to the folks at Pepe's, guys. Try this recipe. It's a nice one to try over the holidays. If you're in the kitchen, come on back. Fun food friends. Dane Gulston is in the house.
Bye.